Hey there, Shawn, Bayley, and welcome to this video where I'm going to talk about high ticket sales for beginners here and help you understand how high ticket consulting, coaching, how it all kind of works together here. So the reason I'm talking to you about this today is because I've actually done some offer and copy coaching for a genuine 2 Comma Club winner who does this very same thing. And this is about the limit of what I can talk about without violating any kind of agreements here, but I can give you a high level overview, and we're not going to go too specific into deliberate tactics here, but strategy we can definitely talk about here. So from doing this process here, what I've learned is that it really breaks down to 4 pieces: the offer, attraction, selling your stuff, and closing, right? The offer is the first and foremost part, getting that nailed down as far as what is it that you're putting out there for the market to either say yes or no to, who it's for, the components of it, what's involved, the time frame, results that you can expect, as well as what's going to happen if you don't take action on this, right? Attraction is just who it's for, right? Where are you going to put this out there, as far as getting the most ideal person to come and actually go and sign up and apply to be part of your high ticket offer. Next is selling your stuff. What is the process? Is it going to be through like a web page, then an application? Is there a phone call involved? How does it all kind of come together as far as the selling process? The last thing is you've got to close. You've got to get people to say, yes, I want this one way or another. And if it's high ticket, it's generally going to be on the phone, some type of interaction of that form. People aren't just going to go and read through like a VSL, go to a sales page, whip out a credit card, and spend $5,000. Maybe, but more often than not, they want to talk to somebody first and kind of have their fears put to rest. Now, there's 4 main pillars to this as why this is so powerful and so now, there's 4 keys to why this is so powerful: speed of implementation, positioning, ease of delivery, and the price of something high ticket versus low price. So I'll show you what I mean here. When it comes to speed of implementation, you're going direct to offer. If I offered you this, would you take me up on that offer? It's binary. The market's going to say either yes or no, right? Are they going to say, hell yes, I want this, or are you going to get crickets? So there's no long investment of going in and creating, a 10-part video course with all these, deliverables and investing all this time and money and just getting, a womp womp sound, wah wah, when you go and actually launch this thing, because people don't want it. This way you can go and be like, do you want this? Yes. Okay, then I'll provide it, right? Next is positioning. So you want to position this like an exclusive invite, right? When you were a kid and you wanted to make a team and you knew there was only so many spots, you were like, "Oh, I hope I get selected for this team," right? That's what you want to have this course, your high ticket offer positioned like. Only the right people are going to get access to this. Only the people who meet our strict standards, people most likely to succeed. Because when you go and actually get the person on a call, the most ideal person to get on the call is a person in their mind who's thinking, "Oh, I hope I get in this coaching program." Right? So next is ease of delivery. This can be done through group coaching sessions with a combination of one-on-one meetings, right? And you essentially build the stuff on the call, record your calls, and then that's going to be turned into your main content afterwards of your beta run of your offer. Once you have this thing, kind of done the first time. Because here's the thing, people don't care about deliverables. They don't really care about the cheat sheets or the workbooks or the more videos or the bonuses or the interviews or the audio downloads, right? What they care about is getting their problems solved, and they care about outcomes and transformations. So holding people accountable, getting on the calls with them, and actually doing stuff on the call, building things out with them during those calls, that is why people will pay the high ticket price. Because at the end of that, they're going to have something. Things will have changed. Something's tangible, right? They've gotten results just through those one-on-one sessions or through the group coaching calls. And the cool thing is that when you run your beta and record it, then that turns into your course afterwards, right? You've proven your concept, and now you can go and offer this thing on an even bigger scale. So next, we've got high price versus low price. Right? If you wanted to make $30,000 a month and you're selling a $30 product, you got to go and find 1,000 sales every month, month after month, to try and maintain that $30,000 level, right? Think about how hard that would be. You're trying to crank out 30 sales a day every single day. But if you're offering something instead, like say some type of $3,000 coaching program, you're only worried about finding 10 people per month, trying to make 1 sale every 3 days, right? And when you're operating at that high price, it's going to give you more room to operate on your advertising budget versus trying to eke by on $30 sales at a time. So if you like this and you're interested in getting some high ticket coaching, how to set this process up for yourself, just let me know. Comment high ticket below, and I'll send you a link to a high ticket shared funnel that you can go. So you're looking to implement some high ticket coaching yourself here, just comment high ticket below, and I'll send you a link to the high ticket share funnel that I've got. You can take it, go and swipe it, and deploy it for yourself. Don't forget to click that like button below, click share, subscribe, click notify if you want to get notified, and I'll see you in the next video.